What's going on, guys? For today's video I got a special guest. Fira Joe is back on the channel and we are here to review the SS20 season of Supreme. I'm super hyped for this. We got a bunch of things in store. We're gonna go over our top 3 favorite items, our top 3 worst items, our favorite things that we bought, and just kind of like a review for the whole season entirely. So stick around, make sure you drop a like on this video, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. But while you're doing all that stuff, you can follow both of us on Instagram. I will put my handle on the screen right now, and it also will be in the description down below, as well as Joey's will also be in the description down below and on the screen now. So make sure you follow us, and yeah, let's just get right into this video. So first off, we'll just talk a little bit about this season before we jump into our favorite items. I do feel just like that meme now when all the kids are sitting around talking about is streetwear dead. Someone did request this video, so as always, we are here to deliver for you guys. I think only one person as always requested it, but if you request it, we will deliver for you. I got Joe back on the channel as also requested, and we are here to give you this season recap. So first off, I want to say, I think they killed it with the colors. The t-shirts, well, I mean, not even really just the t-shirts. I feel like the hoodies and everything too. They gave us tie-dye. That was like a first, or at least.
Yeah, the tie-dye is actually really clean.
I know, I really like that. And even if that wasn't the first, I feel that's the first we've seen in a very long time. So the yellow on the hoodies were pretty clean. I think it was called Lemonade or something this season. A couple of the mini box logos, they had that orange.
Oh, and they had the checkerboard too.
Oh, they had the checkerboard. That was actually completely new. I don't think we've ever seen the checkerboard. Oh, wait,
and
what are the colors?
Pale mint, right?
Oh, the pale on the Daniel Johnston. Yeah, the pale mint on. Yeah, I think it was just on the Daniel Johnston collab. That was super hard.
The small
box too?
Yeah, I think so.
It could have been.
I don't know.
We might have to fact check that, but it could have been. I don't know. But yeah, they just like killed it with all the colorways. I love the hoodie colors, and yeah, that checkerboard. I completely forgot about that. Oh, they gave that like a. Like it was like not flower, but like kind of like the Supreme Nikes foamposites that came out in like the earlier 2010s, and it's just like they were black with like that yellow swirly print in it. They gave it like that similar.
Was it on the shorts?
Yeah, it was on shorts, and I think it was on a small box, or maybe not a small box. I feel like there was a lot of colors in small boxes.
Yeah.
I don't know. They gave us that print. I don't know the correct name for it, and I don't think it was an exact replica of the Nikes, but still, we got that color, so that was cool. What about like, were there any cool hat colors? Oh, that splatter dye thing. That was kind of cool. I thought that was a move.
Oh yeah. Oh, the beanie.
Yeah, that beanie, the splatter dye. That was a cool color. I kind of thought there was other colors when we were talking before off camera. That might have been all the colorways, but yeah, I think they killed it with the colorways this season. We got a lot of new colors. Oh, and we got the orange and the pink in the t-shirts, like that light pink. Was it lavender you got in the shop tee?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I really like that color a lot. And then I got the shop tee in like that orange, but it was like a different orange, just like a really bright orange or something. I liked every single one of them, honestly. I even told this to Joe like a few weeks ago. I think SS20 was probably the best colorways we've ever gotten for like probably all the tees in general. I just love the colors. I hope for fall winter 20 we get similar colors or just as good colors. So moving on to, what do you think about the free gift we got this season? How would you rank? Where would you rank this? Was it good, good or bad?
I'd give it like a 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10? Yeah, I'm kind of with you. Like, it's definitely better than the poppy seeds, for sure. Way better than the poppy seeds. I still think the poppy seeds might have been the worst one we've ever got. Yeah, the only thing good about those was that supposedly by the time you planted them, once the season was over, it would have grew into the plant. I don't know if that was true or if that was just false information, but if that was the case, that would have been cool.
You know what I was thinking? You know how they put it on the store? Remember,
the poncho, yeah.
Remember when we first started getting into Supreme? The matches.
Oh yeah, you could buy the matches. Yeah, the free gift that season was the red match. Yeah, the red match, and then they put the other one. Yeah. See, I actually never thought about that. I actually don't know if I've seen anyone else talk about that either. That's a good observation. The reason I thought they put the ponchos on there was because they closed the stores down because of everything going on. So I thought maybe they had too many and threw them on there. But still, yeah, they did do that. So I didn't even think about that at all. I think for me, I'd personally probably give the poncho about like a 7. It was like 6 or 7 as well. It was cool because you could actually wear it like. All the baseball games are like closed right now, like the stadiums, well at least where we live, so I couldn't go to watch the Tigers play, but I had a vision in my head. I wanted to wear that to a Tigers game for a picture, even if it wasn't raining. I was gonna do it, but I never got to do that obviously this season. But I did like how you actually got to use it because like we got the shower caps a couple seasons ago in the Army Man, but like you couldn't, like you could use the shower cap, but alright, I guess
we took a photo with
the we did take a photo, but we wouldn't like use that on like a regular day. I feel like the poncho you could like legit use, which I thought was pretty cool. So I'm interested to see how the fall winter accessory will be. Like that's honestly one of my favorite times of the season is just when we get the when we find out what the free gift is and all that stuff. Before we jump into our favorites, lastly, kind of with the whole theme of the free item. What do you think about the stickers this season? You think they were good, like the box logo sticker that we got, or like the stickers as a whole?
The box logo sticker was kind of dumb.
Yeah, I personally was not feeling it. I think did we only get one this season? Yeah, we only got one box logo because sometimes they do the one we get, but then you get like a collab one later on in season. Yeah, we didn't get a collab one this season.
The motion logo one, I don't know if you really want to count that, but
they probably would have counted that though, because I feel like motion logos and box logos are like top tiers in the Supreme community, so I could see it like that. Yeah, personally I didn't like the bling box logo that we got because the OG bling box logo is still the GOAT to me. That's one of my favorite box logos ever. Aside from the box logo though, what do you think about the other stickers that we got throughout the season, like collabs, regular shirts?
Honestly, I think they were fire.
I loved all the shirt stickers. That dinosaur sticker, that thing's so cute. That thing's hard. I really like that one. The shop tee sticker was cool. Obviously, the motion logos were awesome. And then can't really think of any more off the top of my head. Oh, the Chrome logo, that was cool.
And the Daniel Johnson.
Yeah, those are cool. I'm sad we only got 2 of those though, because usually you get like 6 Daniel Johnson ones, but we only got 2 of them this season, so that was a bummer. Overall, again, I definitely rate the stickers very high. I love the stickers this season. They were dope. Finally, for the video, probably what a lot of you are here for, we are now going to rank our top 3 favorite items of this season and our top 3 least favorite items of this season. Joey is the guest on the channel, so I'll let him start. Joey, no particular order, but give us a top 3 favorite item of the season.
One would have to be the BB Simon belt.
And that was killer. And
even though I took an L on it, I still love, especially the white colorway.
Yeah, that white was
diamond,
so clean.
Like not the diamond, but
the crystals.
Yeah, the colored crystals.
So clean. Even the box, like the belt came in the tin thing.
Yeah.
So hard.
Super fun.
Yeah, that was dope for sure. I think that's gonna be like gonna go down in history. A lot of people were making fun of it and were sleep on it, but I feel like not everyone knows about BB Simon. Years from now though, people are gonna realize that that thing is like insane. Like I love it. I think it's crazy. Moving on, one of my favorite items from the season, you probably already seen it coming, but it is gonna be the lawn chair. I thought this thing was sick. I took an L, had to pay resell, as was the theme for me. For I'd say about 90% of this season.
Actually,
I bought
the whole season.
Yeah, probably. I bought basically everything this season off of resale, unfortunately. But that lawn chair was sick. Like obviously this is the director's chair. I love all the stuff that like the house stuff. Even though I mean you wouldn't use a house chair. I mean a lawn chair in your house, but still I like that type of stuff. All right, give us another top 3 item of the season.
Another one would have to be the hole punch trucker jacket for sure.
Ooh, so beautiful. That thing, gorgeous. We both took an L on it.
Yeah, that was a big L.
Yeah, that
came out with the cutout box logo.
And actually, we did talk about this off camera. We're also going to kind of keep the theme with the hole punch, as we kind of both agreed that we like everything that was hole punch this season. We got the Vans that were sick, the hat, the bucket hat looking thing that was sick, and I think that was it. Probably jacket out of all of them, #1. Crazy piece. Love that as well. Moving on, for one of my favorite items from this season, I'm going to have to say the Waves work jacket, and I'm also going to rank this in with the Bull as well because it's the same print. I love this collab. I didn't get a single thing from this collaboration, and I'm still very upset about it because I also wanted the Crusher hat. But yeah, I love this thing. This jacket would have been sick. I probably couldn't have pulled this off though, personally. I appreciate the art in this and I really do like this, and thought it was pretty sick. So I don't know, it's worth a lot of money right now, at least. If it ever goes down, even though I highly doubt it will, I might pick this up one day just because like this thing is beautiful. And yeah, I can't really say too much more about it. But all right, Joey, give us your last top 3 favorite thing of this season.
It was the Motion logo. Well, I guess just the Motion.
Yeah, we're gonna say the Motion logo in general. Could you guys believe we got the hoodie, we got the t-shirt, we got the beanie, and we got the cruiser deck? Like, they blessed us this season. I know a lot of the Supreme OGs were mad about it because they re-released these things basically. I'm hyped. I mean, on the hoodie, not as people haven't really noticed this, but it does say 2020 on it, so really you could tell what season these are from, and obviously not all these colorways existed back then. I'm hyped they remade it because it's more affordable. It's basically the SS20 version of the Motion logo is still like around $100 right now, but if you want to get the equivalent to like 2016, that's like a $300-400 shirt, depending on if it's dead stock or not. So I liked that they made it. I thought they snapped. The yellow colorway was my favorite. I picked up that on resale in the yellow colorway for the hoodie. I picked up the red and the white t-shirt for resale, and then I picked up the black for retail. I think they snapped on the Motion logo, and even you got yourself one off resale too. One of the
I think I got yellow.
You got the T.
You got the T.
Yeah. So yeah, they killed with Motion logo. I personally was so excited we finally got that because they were actually leaking that for a while. Remember, they felt like I think a season or 2 ago we were gonna get Motion logos, but we never did. We finally got it, so that was nice to see. And then lastly, for my top 3 favorite items of the season, and in no particular order, I'm gonna have to say the woven straw mat. Again, going to the theme of things that you can use in the house. I do like those things. I'm a huge rug fan. I got like 3 rugs over here just chilling. 4 really with the Harley Davidson one. I love this thing. It smelled awful. That was the worst smelling thing ever. I had to leave it on my screened-in porch for a while to air it out because it was so bad. It smelled like a hamster's cage. After the smell went away, it was pretty nice of an accessory. I laid it out a couple times. I had to pay for resale on this as well. I think I got the black colorway if I remember correctly. I don't have it laid out anywhere. It's kind of still in the box. Moving along, we're gonna pick our 3 least favorite accessories. So Joey, what is going to be one of your, not accessories, least favorite items of the season? So Joey, what is one of your least favorite items?
I'm going to have to say the St. John's basketball jersey. I just feel like they could have done better, to be honest.
Yeah, we actually...
Past ones have been really good.
Yeah, I think the ones before were really good. We actually had a photo idea years ago to get the basketball jersey together and like do like some basketball themed photo shoot with it. But I feel like ever since we've said that, they've never really been on par with the basketball jerseys. Because we always think we're going to get the next one next season, and then we always end up passing. I think they really dropped the ball on this, no pun intended. Moving along for me, this was kind of hard for me to pick because I feel like there's some obvious things in this season that everyone didn't like. I tried picking not things that I felt like everyone would have agreed. I'm going to start off with the bevel text ringer tee. I just don't really like the design on this. There's a lot of blank space on the left area, well, right of the shirt, but in the picture it's on the left. There's a lot of blank space on this. I don't really like the way it looks. It's kind of a poor design for me. We definitely could have lived without it. I don't think this shirt's ever going to hold up. Like, you're never going to see someone talking about this years later on. Not really my favorite item. Don't really have anything else to say about it. So Joey, give us another one of your least favorite items from this season.
I'm gonna have to say the cycling bib. I just feel like they could have just
we could have lived without it.
Yeah,
we could have lived without it.
One of those things you could have just lived without.
Yeah, I mean, I feel like there might be some people out there that could have used it, but I just this design though.
Yeah,
I don't
really
get
weird.
it. Like, it's, I don't know. They could have did better, basically. Yeah, I don't want to keep bashing all this stuff, so we'll also just move along onto my least favorite, well, one of my least favorite items. I'm going to have to say, for an accessory, it was my least favorite accessory, and I'm going to say this print in general, the bling towel, but the bling print in general, like I was saying. They put it on the hoodie, and I think shorts or something else.
Yeah, it was shorts,
yeah, I didn't like this thing at all. I don't know. Like, we were talking off camera too, kind of like poor design. I don't know, I just don't like it. I don't really have anything to say about it besides I just really don't like it. Moving on, Joey, though, what is your least favorite item of the season?
I would have to say the Terry short sleeve Henley, just because it's Terry, and I bought a shirt from Supreme that was Terry, and it was it was just kind of, I don't know.
It's like that washcloth material.
Yeah, it's a washcloth.
Yeah.
My mom's cat like got his claws like into it, and it kind of like ripped.
Probably ripped it out or something. So. Yeah, that sucks. And like, we didn't need buttons on this.
Yeah.
I know it's a Henley, so you need the buttons, but like with this material, like
it kind of looks like a robe. If you
really it really does, yeah, because like that is, I think it, I don't know, I didn't get the screenshot of the other side of it, but I think that's just an S. Like, it doesn't say anything else.
Yeah.
I think it's just an S. That really does look just like a robe. Obviously, another item that we definitely could have lived without, I would say. So yeah, moving on to my least favorite item. Well, it's not my least favorite because we didn't really put them in any chronological order. But one of my least favorite items from the SS20 season is going to be the ARC logo short sleeve work shirt. So yeah, this shirt is another, I would say, poor design. It's at the bottom. I feel like this doesn't work for this type of shirt. Maybe a t-shirt this could work for. Oh yeah, wow, I'm blind. I didn't even really notice that. Yeah, there's a, so yeah. Oh, well, it's a work shirt, so yeah, I could see that.
Oh, yeah,
I wasn't paying attention though. I was so focused on the design.
That's probably why they put the design on there.
Yeah, because that would have been in the way. But like, it just doesn't work. Someone in the office was like, hey, like, what are we gonna put on this pocket tee? Like, well, we can't put anything over the pocket, so just throw it on the stomach. And they rolled with it. I just feel like they could have not have included this. We didn't need this at all. It's another poor design. I mean, I'm sure some people can rock this. This wasn't for me. I didn't like it. So there were a few honorable mentions I did want to say. We're not going to talk a lot of it about them. We're kind of just going to breeze through them. I'm going to have to give it to the Mlb Varsity Jacket. This thing went nuts. I was unable to get it. I appreciate the design. I know a lot of people love this. This was a lot of people's favorite. I think they snapped on this. I love this one. Definitely, I feel like people will always remember this piece. A very memorable piece. Like, this is going to be something 10 years from now that people are still talking about. So yeah, I think they snapped on this one. Joey, you got one memorable item?
So I would have to say the S logo hoodie. I bought the yellow colorway, but
killer color.
Sadly, it got ruined by denim stains. I really can't rock with it anymore.
I think you got to get one next season though to replace it.
I will definitely.
But like, look, I didn't notice this color. This is a nice pink. It's like a light pink. That's like a purple maybe. Maybe it's a blue. Maybe it's a purple. I don't know. Even the forest green they snapped this year with the colors. Like
especially
all these
the
colors.
too.
Yeah, the forest green motion. Yeah, we should have said that earlier. Forest green motion was the wave. Yeah, the S logo definitely a fire item. I did not pick one up, but I think next season I'm gonna pick one up for sure. I mean, depending on what they give us, they might give us something crazy like not S logo at all. No, one more honorable mention for me is I'm gonna have to say the velvet chore coat. I think this thing is sick. I've seen a lot of people rock this, and I personally couldn't, but I think this thing is sick. I've just seen so many good fits that I wish I could rock this. It's not really for me, but I definitely wanted to give an honorable mention to this because I thought it was sick. And Joey, what is your last honorable mention you would say?
I would have to say the chrome logo.
Yep.
To be honest.
I agree, 100%. Yeah, so in general, so we're talking the T.
Skateboard.
Oh yeah, that is it. Yeah, okay. Alright, well we're still talking in general though. With the T and the skateboard, I love that design. I actually wish we could have seen more from that design. That would have been cool to do that on like a hoodie maybe or something. That
a hoodie would have won.
That would have been better than a t-shirt actually. It would have been way better. And like in this yellow or the purple, that would have been
especially purple. No, probably. I don't really know if that's yellow.
Yeah, it's orange. Everyone told me it was orange after I said it was yellow for like 4 weeks. Everyone kept saying it was orange. But yeah, that's sick. So yeah, that is going to wrap up our video. Honestly, overall, really great season. One of my favorite seasons since we've like been in the game, like full time. Yeah. Honestly, this is probably... Well, I think SS15 is my all-time favorite Supreme season. 17 was really good, SS17, and then I'm probably going to rank 20, somewhere between 17 and 20. We're both killer seasons. This is definitely one of my favorites. Like, I feel like every accessory was a home run, besides that towel. Like, I think they killed on everything. They gave us multiple home things. They gave us a ton of colorways and things. This season was just killer. I hope they're going to deliver on the fall-winter season. Like, I'm so anxious, though. Like, we only have, like, what, 1 month? Like, it's going to be crazy. Like, they killed it. I'm almost hoping they don't kill it this good though, because we spent so much money on the aftermarket.
Yeah, we really
because we can't cop anything
because of mods.
Yeah, it was a rough.
It was just laggy.
Yeah, it was rough for sure.
That's why I didn't participate in half of it, to be honest. I was just over it.
There was just no bot protection at all for a while, and yeah, just oh well, actually, I was just thinking. Oh no, we did.
No, there wasn't.
Yeah, and I was just thinking too. We did get the box logo. We didn't even talk about the box logo. So actually, before we wrap it up, real quick, what would you rank the COVID Murakami box logo? What scale 1 to 10? What do you think about it? 10 for sure.
That's my favorite box logo.
Yeah, for sure. That one was killer. I was actually fortunate enough to pick that up, and I'm still like, don't believe it. I'm just so happy I was able to get that. I'm still sitting on it, even though that has dipped hundreds of dollars in price. Yeah, I think it's under 500 now. And remember, I sent you the screenshot when it was like over 800 for a while. Yeah, it's under 5 now. I still think that thing's sick. So we had the COVID box logo, and then were there any more box logos that we got this season?
Yeah, we had the cutout one.
Oh yeah, the cutout box logo, which a lot of people don't say it's a box logo. I personally do think it is a box logo. I got that in the purple colorway, but they didn't. Remember, they messed up it wasn't the same colorway.
Oh yeah,
like that purple, like it was like a violet or lavender, something like that. But it ended up being darker. But then you still picked it up though.
I got resale, the lime. Yeah. Actually, I paid a lot for resale. Yeah, I don't want to talk about that one.
You paid a lot.
The lime colorway is really clean though.
But also keep in mind we had to get extra larges, so resale is higher for the extra larges. And then I think that was all the box logos, right?
Yeah.
We had the COVID box logo and we had the cutout box logo for the season.
You know another thing about this season? There was no pins.
Oh yeah, we didn't get any. Yeah, we didn't get any pins this season. I completely forgot all about the pin, because usually they give us like 2 pins.
Yeah, 2 or 3.
Yeah. We didn't get pins or buttons at all this season. So yeah, that was actually a pretty big letdown too. So again, that should now wrap it up for the SS20 Supreme season review. I guess I'm gonna have to come up with a title on how I'm gonna say this. I guess it kind of is a review. Yeah. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Let me know in the comments down below, what was your favorite item from Supreme SS20? I would love to know. I'm gonna try to reply to all you guys in the comments down below. But while you're down below, make sure you hit the description so you can follow me and Joey on Instagram. I will put both of our handles on screen now, and again, it is in the description down below. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure you hit that like button. Let's try to get this video to 20 likes. I can't do any more live cops, so I guess we'll stick with the 20 like thing. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Actually, if you're still here, we're gonna be doing a FW20 review, lookbook review when it comes out. So if you made it this far, stick around for that. See you next video. We're out.